Hi guys, welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, of course, or maybe Hong Kong time, Beijing time, we are going to share with you one very potential market instrument that is going to carry a lot of positive price movement for the week. Alright, and this price counter, it could be a stock, it could be an ETF, it could be a forex, or it could be just anything that comes from any exchanges around the world. So Monday morning, regardless what you're doing, at 9 a.m. Singapore time, remember to log on and watch us. Continue to share this video, subscribe to us. Alright, share, and hopefully we are all on the highway to happiness and wealth. OTOP is right here waiting for you, and I will be right back. Hi, this is the OTOP 83. Alright, 83, and that's for the week 7 March year 2022. All you need to do is just stay tuned with us for 10 minutes starting from now. Alright, and like us. Alright, give us a like and share this video out, and 10 minutes is all we need you to stay with us, and we shall bring you some good news, and we'll share with you one very interesting counter this week. Alright, that you may like to take a look at it. But before we want to move on, well, if you fall back onto the last episode, well, I think we are pretty good to say that we have given some good recommendations. Alright, if you look back at OTOP 79, we actually did a cover up on we did a coverage on Pfizer. Alright, although the prices came down a little bit, but not much. Alright, despite Dow Jones has been falling for the last 4 weeks. Alright, Pfizer is still a good hold on to the long because it's going to recover very soon. And in the OTOP 80, we were talking about SLV, a silver trust. Alright, which at that time we were talking about perhaps like $22 US, and now it has gone up all the way to about 23, coming 24. Alright, it's an uptrend, and OTOP 81 was the best, and we recommended UCO. Alright, that's a two times leverage ETF. Alright, that marks on the WTI crude. Alright, so look at what it is doing now. Alright, in the OTOP 81, it was trading at about $120, and now it is $177. Alright, and last week in OTOP 82, we talked about PayPal that's trading in the Nasdaq. Alright, PayPal, and let's do a very quick revision on that. Alright, that's for last week OTOP 82. Well, okay, last week till now, not much difference, because last week we were talking about going along, that's at a price of about $105. Now it's trading at 102. But if you look at this chart, I think PayPal definitely is a good hold, and keep the portfolio, because at least out of the 4 OTOP episodes, 2 were up, okay, and 2 were actually almost break-even holding, and they're going to bring you good news, I'm sure, over the next few weeks. So stay tuned in this OTOP 83, alright, for the week 7 March year 2022, and we are going to show you a surprise that may catch your eyes by this week. Alright, let's take a look on last Friday. Alright, Friday, that's on the 4th March market close. Right, Dow Jones fell 179 points. Alright, going down for 4 weeks, 4 straight weeks. S&P was down 34 points on closing, and Nasdaq plunged 224 points. Alright, so pertaining to this Ukraine war, alright, the war on Ukraine land invaded by Russia. Alright, so we have seen a lot of market volatility, and it will continue to be like that in the next few weeks. And of course, with this warfare aggravating, funds have been moving out from stock markets, as you can see up here. Alright, from the 3 major stock indexes. And where are the funds going? All the money has been poured into crude oil prices and spot gold prices. So let's take a look at oil price. Okay, oil price closed at a price of 115 $115 US per barrel on Friday, and this is well, the last top price that we saw in 2008. But remember, 2008. So how much more can oil prices go up? With war going non-stop another 1 to 2 weeks now, don't be surprised. Very shortly over next 1 to 2 weeks, we think the WTI crude may actually hit $130 before it comes down. And taking a look at the gold prices, alright, gold prices has recovered. They have recovered to 1974, alright, $1,974 US per ounce, up $39 on last Friday, and definitely I think gold prices will continue to move up in this week. Alright, so based on this outlook on the surging crude oil prices and the yellow matter, which is the gold price, so this week we're going to show you one very interesting counter. And of course we're talking about when commodity prices are driving up insanely rapidly. We are focusing on the energy sector and also the mining sector, right? Gold mining, copper mining, steel mining. So with these gold prices now, well, fueling up this week, yes, we are going to talk about one mining counter, all right, which has yet to move up, and the momentum is just building up, and most likely we will go into this stock and see a higher escalation in the market price for coming weeks. Stay tuned with us, and we are coming to you now. And this stock that we are looking at, OTOP 83, alright, 83 for the week 7 March year 2022, is a gold mining stock that is listed in Hong Kong. It's called Jiangxi Copper, alright, and the stock code is 0358. This is a state enterprise copper and steel mining company in China, Jiangxi province, but also dual listed in Hong Kong Exchange. Alright, so take a look at this. On Friday closing, the prices were $14.74, and that's Hong Kong dollars, alright, 714.74. And if you look at this, well, this chart pattern, the recent bottom here has been seen at $12.13. Well, don't be upset if you think you have not entered at such a low price of $12.13, because it's never too late. The market is only doing at $14.70 now. Okay, and the crossing of EMA 4 and 20 in the early part of last week actually was confluent with the EMA 200 days average, and there was a triple crossing that you can see here. Alright, so if we're talking about market is on the downside, and how high can it go? Of course, the next target we're looking easily could be here at $18. That's provided if gold prices and metal prices continue to go up, which is also being led and driven up by crude oil prices. Alright, so 18 Hong Kong dollars, but eventually, of course, anything above 20 or 22, well, I think that's a good bet. But if you want to ask me, well, in the historical prices of Jiangxi Copper in Hong Kong, what was the historical high? And this is the price at about 32 Hong Kong dollars. That was in 2007 August, before it came down. So definitely I think there are a lot of rooms at the top which you can actually explore now. So this is based on one chart. Very interestingly, we want you to take a look at the 4-hour chart. Well, if you look at the 4-hour chart, I think we have seen a very strong momentum right on this chart itself, because the crossing of EMA 4 and 20, alright, on the channel, on the support line here, and this is the resistance line on the channel moving up, well, so easily on the top side of 1650, 17 is highly achievable. And most importantly, if you look at this momentum on the bottom side, it is still near to 0 line and just about to turn up. Alright, the flipping is going to come soon. OTOP 83 on the date 7 March year 2022 on a Monday morning, 9 a.m. Well, the time is well spent, always well spent if you watch our episode every Monday morning and followed us. And this week, Jiangxi Copper, we wish, we hope, and we target to bring wealth for me and for you. Alright, so stay tuned with us. Don't forget to share this video and come back on next Monday and we shall give you something more exciting. Alright, stay tuned, and I shall be back.